Everyone thinks you need a V8 to make a Wrangler exciting. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon with the 2-liter turbo just proved them wrong, and it starts at €56,900 in Germany. This isn't some compromise engine. This is a turbocharged 4-cylinder that delivers 272 horsepower and 400 Newton-meters of torque. That's more twist than the 3.6-liter V6. From fewer cylinders, from less fuel. Let that sink in. The exterior screams Rubicon. 7 vertical slots in that iconic grille, round LED headlights, removable doors, fold-down windshield. This is the same boxy silhouette that stormed Normandy beaches in 1944 and conquered the Rubicon Trail decades later. Nothing soft about it. Now pop the hood. That 2-liter turbocharged inline-4 sits there looking deceptively compact. But here's what traditionalists miss. Modern turbo engines deliver massive low-end torque exactly when off-roading demands it. Peak torque arrives at just 3,000 revolutions per minute. That means instant grunt when you're crawling over rocks or pulling through deep mud. The 8-speed automatic transmission is smart enough to hold gears when climbing, and quick enough to shift smoothly on the Autobahn. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour happens in approximately 6.8 seconds. For a brick-shaped off-road beast weighing over 2,000 kilograms, that's genuinely quick. Fuel consumption sits around 10 liters per 100 kilometers combined. Not efficient by hatchback standards, but remember what you're driving. Inside, the Rubicon gets the full treatment. Black leather seats with aggressive bolstering, a 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Dual-zone climate control, heated front seats. The steering wheel feels substantial, designed for gloved hands on winter trails. Rubberized floor mats you can hose down after a muddy weekend. Heavy-duty switches for the locking differentials and disconnecting sway bars. Everything built to survive punishment. Rock rails protect the body panels. Dana, 44 HD axles front and rear handle, extreme articulation, electronic locking front and rear differentials. Skid plates guard the engine, transmission, and fuel tank. This Rubicon can ford 76 centimeters of water without flinching. It climbs 45-degree slopes. It has 25.9 centimeters of ground clearance. Approach angle, 44 degrees. Departure angle, 37 degrees. Breakover angle, 27.8 degrees. These aren't just numbers. These are the measurements that separate pretenders from legends. Now here's the critical question. Is €56,900 justified? For comparison, a Ford Bronco with similar capability starts around €60,000 in Europe. A Mercedes G-Class? Over €130,000. A Land Rover Defender 110? North of €70,000. The Wrangler Rubicon undercuts its premium rivals by €15,000 to €75,000 while delivering genuine trail-rated capability they can't match. And you get the better engine. The 2.0 turbo delivers more usable torque than the V6. It's quicker off the line. It's more fuel efficient on highways. It's lighter, which improves handling. The only people who complain about 4-cylinder Wranglers are people who've never driven one. This is 80 years of Jeep DNA combined with thoroughly modern turbocharged engineering. If you want the most capable production off-roader under €60,000, this is it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.